Welcome to the studio here in Paris. We're talking energy transition with Elia. Welcome, Chris.
Happy to hear.
How can we change market design to help this energy transition?
That's an interesting question that you're asking there, and we spent at Elia quite some time in finding a better market design for the European market. And we came up with a new concept of flexibility hubs. Flexibility hubs where we then will concentrate on certain locations the flexibility that we have in the system, and that will allow us to integrate more renewables without creating more congestion. That is a concept that we will make public in 2 weeks from now, and where we will then invite our colleagues, TSOs, but also regulators and legislators to participate in that discussion, and we hope then to have in 1 to 2 years a more efficient system than the current system to integrate renewables in the European system.
We were talking earlier about the great untapped potential of offshore wind. How do we get that into the system?
Well, there we have, in a few months, we will commission in Germany the first in the world connection between two wind farms, one on the Danish side, one on the German side, and use that connection as well as an interconnector. And we believe that that technology will help us to unlock quite some potential deeper offshore because it will combine the benefits of a fully used cable with integrating cheap renewables that are sitting far away in the sea.
Customer centricity is a key theme here. We hear it all the time. How does the role of the customer change in this energy transition?
Well, last year we spoke about this new Internet of Energy that we launched. Well, it has been very successful. Now, at this moment of time, we're testing 8 different use cases where customers can benefit from bringing their flexibility to the market. So on the one hand, they're paid for bringing their flexibility to the market, and on the other hand, new service providers give them then a higher level of comfort. So it's a win-win where we can better operate our grid and customers then benefit for lower prices. So that is really where we see a lot of change going to happen in the coming years.
Okay. Innovation is a key theme too. Sometimes the innovation outpaces change that we see on the ground. In the next 3 to 5 years, what do you think are the key innovations that can really change the game?
Well, the real game changer will be the electrical vehicle. We expect that a lot of new models will come to the market. They will start to be in the mass market segment soon, and once they are there, we think that we will see a big change into what people will buy and how they will then connect to the grid. And that will then launch the rest of the change, where we then will see as well smart buildings and all the things coming along. But we really expect that electrical vehicles will be the first to come.
Thank you very much for your insights.
A pleasure, thank you.
Be sure to subscribe to our channels for more industry-related content.